guys, welcome to Pistacchio Graphic. Today we have another design. This is a simple keychain. I will teach you how to design this keychain today. Remember, you can download this drawing in the first link of the description. If you like, press the like button here below. Let's go! We can select a new design. Select the front page. You can select some drawings here. Some lines. Select the midpoint, this vertical line on the center point. This line with this point is 9 millimeters. This is 34. Here it's 115 millimeters. Here and here. 19. And here is 9. Okay. We can extrude this with 10 millimeters. E for extrude, 10 millimeters. Okay. We can apply some fillets here, 10 millimeters. Select the fillet tool. Here, here, and here. 10 millimeters. Okay. You can remove this face and do a 4 millimeter shell. Okay. Apply some fillets, a radius of 1.5 millimeters. Another fillet. This inside line, the border, and the outline, 1.5 millimeters. Okay. We can do the hole. It's a 14 millimeter distance with a circle with 5 millimeters. Select the bottom face. C for the circle, 5 millimeters. The distance is 14 millimeters. Align horizontally. Okay. E for X tool to remove the material. You can apply some fillets here. One millimeter. Okay. And to finalize this project, we can do a text here inside. And type a like button. Select the middle. We can centralize here. You can put your name here if you want. Select and extrude this profile. 2 millimeters is enough. We can add some appearance. Select our color base here. and a yellow base. We can add some colors here on the face. To show more a little bit our design. Okay, that's okay. How you can see, it's a simple one design, but we can print this project and make some keychains. Thank you to watch this tutorial. If you like, leave a comment here below. You can download this ebook in the first link of the description. Thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial.